Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. It's been a week and it is time to test the pickled eggs. What I've been doing, I'm keeping them in the refrigerator and I just turn them every day and then I shake them a little bit and I turn them in the morning when I get up, then before I go to bed I'll take and turn them back, just stir them up. So we're going to see how these things taste. And they got a little bit of heat to them. I got the water there just in case. Let's see. Not that bad. Not as much heat as what I would have expected, but I'll make them again. I got 4 jars in there, so if I eat all 4 of those jars, I could probably take a lighter and put myself in orbit. But I put a good bit of red pepper in there. You can see it, but of course my taste buds are probably dead from eating much hot stuff as I've ate over the course of my life. But I pick up a little bit. I put a little bit of dill in there. I'm picking up that, and I'll link the video for when I made these. It has the recipe, so you can go back over that and look. But I'll be making them again. I've got to figure out a way to get a little bit more heat to them. I think that would be the key. You can see that red pepper there. But thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like. Hit that subscribe button. Bon appetit. God bless.